I've got the trending edit from Lookfantastic and it hasn't sold out yet. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I bought this beauty box a couple of days ago and I completely forgot to film it. So I am late in posting this up, but I've just checked and it hasn't sold out yet. So I thought I'd share it with you as soon as possible. It was released about a week and a half ago. It contains 6 beauty products. It costs £40 and has a value of £110. As always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you see all my discount codes and offers to other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. No discount code unfortunately with this one, but I do have a discount code for the website, which is DiaryLF, and that will entitle you to up to 25% off nearly everything, including sale items as well. But yeah, unfortunately it doesn't work towards this beauty box. Now I want to start off with this. This intrigued me. It's a little kit. It's worth £50 and it's by Mcgrath. It's a little mini kit of mini matte trance lipstick, mini lust gloss, divinal lip shine, and mini skin fetish and divine flush. How cute is that? This is worth £50 for minis. It's got all like sequins in there. Is it sequins? Yeah. Now this is going to go everywhere, isn't it? Oh, okay, I'll get them out like this. This is a mini divine blush in shade Divine Rose. That is so pretty. Look at that. It is gorgeous, isn't it? Really, really pretty. Let's see what it's like on my hand. Ooh, very subtle. Let's try and add some more. So a nice rosy tint if you like your subtle blushes, but I suppose you could build it up, couldn't you? Yeah. Yeah, so you can see the difference in my hand there. Right, these two lipsticks, one is a gloss and one is a lip shine. They're both Divine Rose. I'd imagine this is the gloss. There. That's really pretty. Yeah, I really like that. That's quite pigmented as well. Maybe a lip shine. This is quite cute. Ooh, okay. This is the lip shine, isn't it? So that's the lip gloss, the lip shine. And yeah, the colour's alright. It's not my favourite. It would have been better if it was more rosy like the others. You're not going to get a lot of colour payoff out of that anyway. And then lastly, from this little kit, is a matte trance lipstick in Divine Rose. I think it wants to come out. Gotta be careful. Okay, oh, that's gorgeous colour. Yeah, I really, really like that. So we got 3 mini lipsticks and a blush from Mcgrath Labs. The last lipstick that I applied, the matte one, that doesn't want to come off. That leaves a bit of a stain, which is good. I love that in a lipstick. But anyway, got a mascara from Fenty Beauty, and this is hella thick. It's a little mini black mascara. This is worth £5. And this is brilliant. I love this. I reckon it's going to be a hit or miss type of mascara. No in between. You're either going to love it or hate it. Now, I love it because you've got instant product all over your lashes. It coats your lashes really, really quickly. It's thick. You put too much on and it'll go goopy, spidery, and that might be something that you like in a mascara. I like it to an extent, but I don't want clumps then, you know, so I have to be really careful when I apply it. But literally just one layer and it's like, whoa, I've got lashes. And my lashes are naturally short and thin and they're quite fair as well. I've got the full size version, but this is my go-to mascara, just quick and easy. I've got to be really, really careful when I apply it to my bottom lashes because there's not much down there either, but I do like a little bit just in the corners there just to finish off my makeup. And yeah, you got to be really careful. But the actual colour payoff, the thickness and everything, yeah, really make your eyelashes really, really stand out. I do really like it. Next we got Laneige, and this is Bouncy and Firm Sleeping Mask to plump, hydrate, glow. There's 25 mils here and this is worth £17. I have tried samples of this in different beauty boxes and it is a really nice product. Haven't tried much skincare from this brand, but as you know, I love their sleeping masks. The sleeping mask for your lips then. So it feels really thick. It just says that it's an overnight mask that will provide up to 24 hours of hydration. Yeah, it's lovely. And it's got a really gorgeous smell to it as well. It does remind me of something. It is slightly rosy, and I cannot stand rose, but this is a nice smell. Yeah. Next we've got Full Size Beauty of Joseon. It's a Korean brand, and this is Apricot Blossom Peeling Gel, and this is worth £11. Now I haven't got this. I've got serums, I've got moisturisers. It's such a gorgeous brand. Their SPF is one of my favourite as well. Their rice milk SPF. Every single Korean brand, all their boxes are really sealed well. Basically they've got a sticker, which is good. It means that no one has opened it. It just annoys me. All right then, so this is an exfoliator with a very soft gommage texture containing 19% prunis mumi flower water. It's really hard to read. I'll show you in a minute. And 8% plant-derived cellulose. It gently exfoliates dead skin cells and skin waste. Use 1 to 2 times a week, depending on skin's condition. Can you read that? Really hard. So you apply it to dry skin, and then you rinse off after 20 seconds. That's what it says. Ooh, I was expecting it to feel more bitty, but it's not. It feels really nice. You can feel like there's bits in there, but no, that's quite nice. That's quite gentle. You might not be able to pick up on the camera. Can you see bits? Yeah, that is really nice. What's it called again? Apricot Blossom Peeling Gel. Then we've got Supergoop. This is Glowscreen SPF 30 Hydrating Glow-In Sunscreen Primer. 10 mils. And this size is worth £9. I don't personally like this one. It's too glowy for me. It'd be alright if I was using it as a highlighter, but it's just too glowy for my skin all over. I've mentioned this so many times, but I've got a lot of texture, a lot of old scarring, large pores, mainly in the middle of my face, and I got like fine lines developing as well. So anything really, really glowy, it's just gonna make them all stand out, and I just don't like it. Hopefully you can see there. So it gives a really nice glow to the skin, and like a little bit of a tint as well, a natural tint, so it's not going to look really fake, but it's quite pearlescent. You might not be able to pick that up clearly. It's just a little bit too much for me all over my face, so I'll pass that on. Next we've got Full Size Makeup Forever. It's an artist pencil, or artist colour pencil extreme. So it's for your lips, your eyes and your eyebrows, and it's in shade Anywhere Caffeine. Wow, I'm not too sure about my eyebrows. I am going back ginger. I don't know if you might not be able to tell actually in this video, but I went back to my hairdressers to have my hair tapes, my hair extensions changed, and I did have like a chocolatey brown and blonde put through, which I really, really love. My actual hair wants to go back ginger. It keeps on fading when I dye it a medium brown. It just, because there's so much red underneath there. And I'm noticing because I'm quite grey, you can really see with dark hair how fast it comes through. So I decided, you know what, I miss the brightness of the bright copper. So yeah, so I've gone back. Can you see a little bit of copper in amongst my hair there? So I've got bright copper fake hair, what I used to have, and then I've got the darker brown then. It looks quite nice. I quite like it. So yeah, so this pencil is really pretty. I don't think I'd use that on my eyebrows, but a nice lip liner, and maybe for the eyes as well. I quite like that. Does it smudge? Whoa, that is, look, that does not want to budge. So yeah, great for your lips. Well, great for eyes and lips, isn't it? But yeah, that does not want to budge. I'm not sure if I told you, but this is worth £20. And there you go, those are all the products in the trending edit from Lookfantastic. Has a value of £110, can be bought for £40, and it contains 6 beauty products. I'd love to know what you think. Did you buy it yourself, or are you thinking, nah, do you know what, it's not for me this time? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. My next video will be a PR unboxing. I've been collecting a few parcels that brands have kindly sent out to me, so I thought I'll wait until I've got quite a few and I'll do a big unboxing. So yeah, that'll be coming next, I think. Take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.